you ever seen someone completely lose it when facing the consequences of their actions? Watch as a woman's over-the-top reaction to her arrest spirals into a dramatic display of defiance and frustration. Get ready for a wild ride as her refusal to accept the situation leads to chaos you won't believe. Let's start with this shoplifter who is absolutely obnoxious and entitled. On September 2nd, 2023, the body cam footage captures a distressing encounter between law enforcement and Taylor, a shoplifter who becomes increasingly agitated when confronted by police. The footage begins with Taylor attempting to leave a store after being accused of theft.
Okay, you're not free to go, all right? So stop walking away from me.
No!
Okay? Why don't you set your stuff down and talk to me?
No, because I'm going to buy something. Please stop.
Put your stuff down.
No, what did I do?
Right now you're being detained for investigation of theft.
The officer intervenes, informing her that she is being detained for an investigation into the alleged theft. Despite her protests and repeated assertions of innocence, Taylor is handcuffed and placed in a police vehicle.
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
I didn't mean to do anything. What did I do?
Like I said, you're being detained for investigation of theft, okay? Hold on. Stop.
No, please.
Let's get off the female in custody. Okay, like I said, you're being detained, not arrested, okay? You have any weapons on you?
No, I don't want it.
All right.
I don't want to go to jail.
What's your warrant for? Okay. Come on over here. We're gonna sit in my car and then we're gonna talk, okay?
Please, I paid for it all.
Hold on.
I paid for the
Just so you know, we're being recorded on my body camera, okay? What's your name?
My life.
What's your
Please
name?
don't take me.
I'm not taking you anywhere. I'm just putting you in my car right now. What's your name? Taylor what? Taylor what? Okay. Go ahead and step in here for me.
Don't take me.
Okay, let me get this out of your hand real quick. Okay, you're not going anywhere just yet, okay? Put your feet in the car, and I'm gonna go get your stuff so it doesn't walk away, okay?
The officer initially informs Taylor that she is not free to leave and proceeds with detaining her. Taylor, who appears visibly distressed, insists she has paid for the items she is accused of stealing.
Confirm and check. Probably have new charges for theft.
I'll pay for everything you paid for. I told her I had to choose and I can drink.
Alright, I'm going to advise you of your rights right now, okay?
Please, no.
You are under arrest on your warrant.
No. No. No, I don't want to go to jail.
Okay?
No. No, I'm supposed to see my kids.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do is used against you in a court of law.
I hate that place.
You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer. Him or her be present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before you question your You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements.
Officer, please don't take me.
Do you understand each of the rights?
Please. I'm going for an eviction and I was trying to get it taken care of.
Okay. Do you understand each?
The officer, however, clarifies that Taylor is being detained due to a warrant and potential theft. During the arrest, the officer discovers drugs in Taylor's purse. Taylor's reaction escalates as she pleads with the officer, expressing her fear and despair about going to jail, particularly on a Saturday.
No, I don't want to go. Please, please, please. I hate that place so
Something
much.
about your right. Something I read that you're not.
Please,
I can't talk to you, okay? So.
I swear I said it was in there and she rang it up. I'll pay for it, please.
All right, turn around.
Please. Please. No, 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 no. Don't take me. Officer, please. I hate that jail. Please, please, please. No. I was just getting it taken care of.
It's non-washable, so you can't get it taken care of.
Yes, I
Okay, you still have the warrant, all right? You would have gone to jail for the warrant either way.
I can't do that, please.
I'll be en route with her to the jail. Starting mileage is 91.0.
I'm pretty sure
Also,
I'm pregnant.
No.
It's really hard in here.
okay, I'm gonna lower the windows for you a little bit, okay? Get you some air.
I hate my life. That place is so bad. Please, that place is so bad, and of course it's a f***ing Saturday bail.
It's a $10,000 bail, and then you'll have new charges.
What?
You'll have new charges.
For what?
Theft and possession of controlled substance.
No.
The officer explains that Taylor has an existing warrant for a domestic violence charge, which is non-bailable. In addition to the theft and drug possession charges, Taylor is informed that she will face consequences for her previous legal issues. The officer remains professional, informing Taylor of her rights and the legal process she will face, despite her emotional outbursts and pleas for leniency.
So bad. Please, it was so bad last time. It was so bad. You only get 2 hours out.
I hear you. It's not going to change anything.
Oh my God. Help. People can be here for a long time. I don't like it. I don't want to see it. The walls, and there's so many of them. I don't want to get sick. Do I look like I'm a bad person?
I never said you were a bad person. I never called you crazy. All I said was that you were detained for investigation of theft, and then you have a warrant. Okay? After I arrested you on your warrant, searched your purse, I found what looks like to be drugs in there. So you're being booked on theft, you're being booked on controlled substance possession, and you're being booked on your warrants. Okay? That's the way it goes. The jail accepted you on your warrant.
No, they always do.
Because it's a DV warrant, and it's not possible.
No, I don't want to be here. I hate this fucking place. Fucking amen. I'm all shit.
New charges
Because
for
I'm
theft.
in a cell for 24 hours last time. Nobody would talk to me. I will do that next time.
After Taylor's arrest, she will be processed through the legal system where her charges will be formally reviewed. The theft charge will be addressed alongside the discovery of drugs in her possession. Taylor's existing warrant for domestic violence will also be a factor in her legal proceedings. Given the severity of the charges and her previous legal issues, Taylor faces significant legal consequences.
I hate this f***ing place. I've only been once. I said I would pay for it. I see it was missed on the receipt. I was literally doing that. And I was like, she didn't
Great
charge
I know,
me
right?
for it.
Taylor Wyatt.
Gonna see my baby today.
W-Y-A-T-T.
I just can't do this, dude.
Because you're with Ryan?
No, I just went out in a bad fucking week. My attorney said he was going in this week to court to quash my warrant for me. Because I got him mixed up. Because I'm getting evicted. I have nowhere to fucking go. I lost my kid. And then I have to go here. I hate it here. No.
We have people that can help you get help.
No, it doesn't work.
Let me help you.
It's always gotta be a Saturday.
Chapter 812-014. Florida statutes defines theft as the unlawful taking of property with the intent to permanently deprive the owner of its use. The severity of the theft charge depends on the value of the stolen items. In Taylor's case, the charge will be classified based on the value of the items she is accused of stealing. If the value exceeds a certain threshold, the theft could be classified as a felony. Penalties for theft can range from misdemeanors to felonies, depending on the value of the stolen property. When the property is valued over $750, the offense is considered a felony, leading to more severe consequences. These penalties may include significant fines, probation, or imprisonment. In addition, Chapter 893.13 addresses the possession of controlled substances, such as the drugs found in Taylor's purse. The specific charges and penalties for this offense depend on the type and amount of the controlled substance involved. Possession of illegal drugs is treated seriously under Florida law. Penalties for controlled substance possession are typically classified as felonies. This can result in substantial fines, imprisonment, and a permanent criminal record, which can significantly impact an individual's life. Seems like this woman just landed herself in hot water, but this is still not the worst case. Just wait until you see this next one. On April 20th, 2024, police officers conducted a traffic stop in response to erratic driving and a reported U-turn in a residential neighborhood. The driver, a woman, was immediately confronted by officers as she was asked to exit her vehicle.
Do I need to get my license out or anything?
Yes.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god. Oh my god, what are they doing? Why did you Oh my god. Do you guys need to get out the car?
Come speak to me over here.
Despite the officer's instructions, she displayed significant resistance and confusion about the nature of the stop. Upon stopping the vehicle, officers observed the woman behaving erratically. They instructed her to step out of the vehicle, citing concerns related to an ongoing investigation into a shots-fired report in the vicinity.
We just came from my friend's house. Do we need to get out the car?
I need to speak to you.
Why? It's super cold. No, oh my god, no. Oh my god, it's super cold. We just came from my friend's house.
Where's your friend's house?
We need to take pictures. We were taking pictures. I don't know what you're stopping me for. We were just parked. I don't know anything. My friend lives here. I don't know anything where you're gonna ask or anything about some shots. You said some shots, right? Shots fired? Is that what you said? I don't know anything about that. I want to get back in my car. It's super cold. I don't know why.
Okay, have you been drinking today?
No.
No.
No, I want to get back in my car. It's super cold. Sir, wait, what's your badge number?
995.
I'm sorry, wait, can you get it real quick? Give me your card real quick, because I don't have your card number. Your card? Yeah, you have a card?
So correct. I gave you a lawful order to step out of your vehicle.
Right, and I complied to it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so
what
can I
is
get
your
it back
issue?
in my car? Because it's super cold.
Okay, let's stand by one more.
If you're not getting me your card, physically, your physical card, you're not giving it to me.
Yes, I'll get you a card, but you need to
Can
stand
you give
by.
it to me? No, sir, please. I want to get back in my car. So, am I detained?
So have you been drinking now?
No, I haven't been drinking. I've told you no.
Okay,
Am
because
I
we observed
detained?
you driving.
Yeah, and I was driving good.
Huh?
And I was driving good, and we were getting back of my friend's car. And
Would you be willing to submit to some sobriety field
Sir,
test?
I was driving good. What is your reason for pulling me over? I was parked.
The woman was argumentative, questioning the legality of her removal from the car and the basis for the stop. Despite repeated requests, she refused to submit to field sobriety tests initially, although she later claimed to be willing, but continued to argue about the cold weather and the legitimacy of the stop.
Well, we observed you driving. We saw you go
Sir,
this way.
and I did a
came
U-turn here in a lawful neighborhood, and I did a U-turn in a lawful neighborhood.
Would you be willing to submit to some field
Sir,
sobriety
why
test?
are you pulling me over? For what? I'm super cold. You're pulling me over for a law test? You're pulling me over? Why? I was parked.
So would you be willing to submit to some field sobriety test?
Sir, I was parked, and you're pulling me
No,
over?
I observed you driving.
Sir, I was parked and I did a U-turn. Give me your physical card, please.
So ma'am, I'm not
I
asking you
need,
those
sir,
questions.
I need your No,
the
it's
questions I'm
not
asking
because
you?
I was parked. Sir, I'm a law student. I was parked.
Yes, and I
Yes,
observed you driving
and I was
erratically
parked-
while we're conducting
and
our
I was
investigation.
not driving
and you even
erratically.
parked crooked in front of the residence.
Sir.
So are you willing to submit to these
Sir,
field
if
sobriety
you come
tests?
over here,
Go ahead and put your things here.
Okay, if you come over here, look, come over here real quick.
Hold on, ma'am. I'm asking you one last time.
I'm not refusing. I'm not refusing. Though.
This is a yes or no question.
I'm not refusing section of the
You
law.
can't do a U-turn.
What section of the law am I not refused to do a U-turn?
Okay,
ma'am, I'm asking you what section of law.
Last chance. This is your last chance. Are you willing to submit? I don't need.
I'm telling you, I'm not refusing. I'm asking you what section of the law am I not?
I'll show you right now when we give you the citations. Hold on.
Ma'am, you're further than me. I'm not gonna get hit.
Coming towards the roadway.
I'm not gonna get hit. You're telling me that I'm getting pulled over because how I'm parked?
Okay, so can you go ahead and imagine a straight line?
I'm walking in the street. No matter what happens, I just know it's
just so you're not walking into traffic.
I just want you to know that it's super cold and it's not. So where do I walk, officer?
Okay.
That one right there where you're making?
So place your right foot on the line.
Okay.
And then your left foot in front of your right foot, like so.
Like that?
Yes. And then place your hands at your side.
Right there. It's super cool. Like that.
The officers proceeded to administer field sobriety tests despite her protestations. Throughout the encounter, the woman repeatedly demanded the officers' badge numbers and physical cards, arguing that she was not provided with adequate information about the reason for the stop and the sobriety tests. Her behavior remained combative and uncooperative, leading to her arrest on suspicion of driving under the influence DUI.
I don't know, it's super cold.
Ma'am, so I need you to follow my instructions.
I'm following your instructions, but
Okay.
it's super cold. I wasn't driving and you're pulling me over.
You were driving.
No, but you didn't pull your lights.
Ma'am, we're not here to argue, okay?
I know, we're not.
This will be
But
my
you
last
didn't
attempt
pull
at the
it.
test, okay?
No, I'm not
At any
refusing, but
point,
you guys are
you
not
wanna
telling
stop
me.
it, you can.
You guys. It's super
Do you have a jacket in there?
No, ma'am, it's super cold.
Why we were
You
here.
can tell me again.
Clearly, you're not understanding what I'm
I
telling you.
am
because we've told you
understanding, but
1,000
it's
times.
super cold. It's
Usually,
super
when people are
cold.
drunk,
You guys
they don't
cannot-
understand.
But I'm super cold.
Okay, you'll be warm in there.
Es que no sé por qué me están parando, oiga. Yo quiero ser una abogada defensora criminal, pero no sé por qué me están, o sea, usted así amarrando. Yo no quiero tener esto en mi crimen. No sé por qué me están amarrando.
Nosotros ya lo insultamos a usted ya como.
The woman was formally arrested for DUI following her refusal to comply with field sobriety tests. During her arrest, she continued to express frustration and confusion, questioning the legality of her detention and the reasons behind her arrest.
Oh my God, you guys don't have any heat in here, please.
So, Miss,
Yes, yes, sir. You guys don't have any heat in here.
so just listen to me, okay?
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to you to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any of my questions or make any statements. Do you understand these rights as I explained them to you? Okay, so Ms. I'm going to ask you questions regarding the vehicle accident and the damage in
but
front of your
I don't know
vehicle.
anything about it, and look, you guys are super hot in here. Like, I cannot believe you guys have people in here. No, I cannot believe you guys have people in here. You guys have people in here? Anything? You guys didn't do any sobriety tests or anything?
Do you not remember what we just did?
Well, yeah, but I asked you why, and you guys didn't
And I
even
told you why.
complete it. But you guys didn't complete it. You guys told me that you guys weren't doing, and then you guys proceeded to tell me that I was under arrest. But I never really got the reason why I was under arrest. You guys just told me you guys were doing sobriety tests on me, but I never got the reason why. Asked you,
Okay,
and then
follow-up questions.
wanna ask questions. I was asking questions.
So there's a time and place for questions, ma'am, and there's a time for listening, which you were just unwilling to do, and you were willing to argue with me during the entire time I was trying to conduct my SFSTs. Now, I'm not here to argue with you at the moment.
We're not
What my
arguing.
question is, I want to ask you, can this female officer bring your purse to you so I can get your driver's license so we can go ahead and proceed with the paperwork?
I can get it for you. If that's what you're asking, I can get my driver's license for you. I'm not arguing with
Okay,
you.
may we have permission to get in your vehicle and get your purse to bring
No,
it to
you may not. I can get it for you if you don't. But I wouldn't prefer you close the vehicle. I'm very, it's hard to...
Despite her protests, the police proceeded with the booking process and informed her of her rights, including the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney. She was informed that her license could be suspended for refusing to take the sobriety tests, but she remained adamant about her innocence and the harsh conditions of her detainment.
Quiero estar aquí en una celda, pero yo no pertenezco aquí. Tadeo, por favor.
¿Necesitamos todo más?
Tadeo, por favor, ayúdame. No estoy haciendo nada. That's
not
why
even making sense. You parked me because you're stopped. It's up to you.
you parked me because I was stopped.
Yeah,
I was stopped because I was stopped. I wasn't driving at that point. I was stopped.
Okay.
You wouldn't even turn your lights on.
Listen.
No, you guys are not letting me explain.
We already gave you one chance.
What do you
You don't want to take it. It's right there.
You said no.
We can't force you to do it.
It's not that I didn't want to do it. I'm asking you. So you said no, right? So you said no, right? Okay. Thank you. You said no. I never said that I didn't want to do it. You guys are not just no me están explicando muy bien en español.
There was someone called saying that they heard a gunshot, so that's why we were there.
It wasn't me.
We're not saying it was you.
You guys are saying I'm driving under the influence, pero ni siquiera me hicieron unas pruebas y nada, nomás me amarraron y me agarraron aquí.
So the reason why you were stopped is because you did that U-turn. You passed by us.
Pero explíqueme, no me pueden tomar foto así, maestro oficial. Yo quiero ser una lawyer. I want to be a defense attorney. I can't be a lawyer like this.
So it's up to you. You don't have to, but we're offering you this last opportunity.
For what? Just
To
going
submit
to
a
the
breath
test?
test. Yes. If you,
But I'm telling you for what, and you're not telling me why. Just because I was parked, you guys stopped me.
it's a
because I was
breath
parked.
test for intoxication.
But you guys parked me because I was stopped.
Under Florida law, DUI is a serious offense with significant legal consequences as outlined in Florida statutes, Chapter 316, 193, which governs DUI offenses. This statute provides a comprehensive framework for penalties associated with DUI, including fines, license suspension, and imprisonment. For a first offense, the penalties can include up to 6 months in jail, fines ranging from $500 to $1,000, and a license suspension of up to 180 days. A second offense may result in up to 9 months in jail, fines ranging from $1,000 to $2,000, and a license suspension of up to 5 years. A third offense is considered a third-degree felony, carrying potential imprisonment of up to 5 years, fines ranging from $2,000 to $5,000, and a license suspension of up to 10 years. All right, let's move to this next case where things might get even messier. On October 27, 2023, Rowan University police officers were conversing in a parking lot with student residents when they heard a traffic collision occur nearby. Officers activated their body-worn cameras and made contact with the parties involved in the accident. The initial stop quickly escalated into a more serious situation, highlighting the complexities of legal enforcement and personal conduct.
I just got my card. You need to watch where the f you going. You shouldn't be on my ass. And I'm not up your ass. I'm ready. I'm waiting for you to f***ing move. At the end of the day, you should sit my car, so stop cash at me.
Away from her, based on how angry she is.
I was gonna say,
we don't need any more confrontation.
Do you see me reverse though?
So I just heard it.
Wait. I literally was parked.
They were standing on the side. They didn't see anything. They heard the bump, and then that's what happened.
Okay. How much?
I was gonna say it spilled on me like 100 times. I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk driving.
Well, look, I'm not
giving you my stuff. Okay. Like I'm
Pull it in because that's a big front. I didn't know how to. So I drove here. So she took it and like took the driver's side over and then pulled in. I guess she was trying to reverse more. And that same exact car that pulled out was right behind her, and then she reversed into the car. But I don't know where they came from though, because they literally.
So I think to just get this over with, insurance needs to be exchanged,
If it makes
and
you feel any
everybody
better,
needs to go to
New Jersey has a no fault law. Yeah, so it doesn't even matter.
fault,
You're at fault at the end of the day. She's at fault. Yeah, y'all both.
I get through the day.
I'm part of the crew.
She said I'm
I'm part of the crew.
Yeah, me and Maddie on the bad side. If anything, I'm closer to a cop.
And she was in the military.
Me and Maddie are on the bad side.
But no, she actually served.
My sister did too.
During the traffic stop, the woman's behavior was notably erratic. Initially, she was cooperative, but her demeanor shifted dramatically as the interaction progressed. The police officers conducted a standard traffic stop, which soon revealed signs of impairment. As the situation escalated, the woman displayed increasingly volatile behavior, including argumentative interactions with the officers.
I reversed.
Yeah, can you watch the girl with the red hair? Okay.
I need to stay here
No,
too because
I
in
know,
case
I'm
they
just
come
saying,
over here.
Right now, bitch, you saying that because the cops are you little ugly ass bitch. Ugly ass bitch. Shut the up, you ugly ass bitch.
I smell alcohol. So I need to. This thing is, I need to rule out that you're not driving the car drunk.
I wasn't even driving the car.
I saw you driving.
No, I know, but I went to pull in.
You were still in the driver's seat when the car crashed into the other car. Look, we're not going to have this argument. So look,
I know, but
it would be better if you took those off. Okay, the starting position.
I'm a D3F. The pose, Mia, the pose.
So the starting position is called, starting position for the walk and turn test. Right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe, arms by your side. Can you do that?
The police, adhering to their protocols, attempted to de-escalate the situation. Despite their efforts, the woman's responses became more resistant. She was eventually placed under arrest for driving under the influence, DUI, and her actions continued to be disruptive throughout the process. The police recorded the incident on body cameras, capturing the woman's escalating frustration and the officer's attempts to maintain control.
No, I didn't tell you to start yet.
Oh, okay. Tell me when to start.
Okay. So look, right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Keep this starting position. Starting position, stay like that. Now when I tell you to begin, you're going to do 9 heel to toe steps, counting out loud like so. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9 until I tell you to stop. You understand? When you get to 9, you'll do a series of small steps, and you'll come back. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. You put your arms by your side. By your side. There you go.
3, 4, 5, 6.
So the next test is called the one-leg stand test. Okay. All right, it's a balance test. So put your.
I can't pistol squat on this knee. I really can't.
Pistols.
You know when you can like.
Oh no, we're not doing that.
Okay, I was gonna say I can't do that on this knee. I really can't.
Nothing complex at all.
Okay.
All right, so look. 3. You ready? Yeah. Okay, you can begin.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 2008, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013.
You can put your foot down. Look,
I can do the other foot too.
No, look, it's fine. I just need complete honesty from you. How much did you have to drink?
I really didn't drink tonight. I really didn't. That's why, like, it's kind of getting me really mad that I even did this because, like, I saw her lights behind me.
Look, how old are you?
I'm 20 years old. I really didn't think that she was that far behind me. I really didn't think she was up my ass that far.
So your friend told me you were.
No, I'm literally, like, if she trusted me, like,
Look,
no,
face that officer
I didn't drink anything tonight.
Arms behind your back.
Wait, what are we doing?
Following her arrest, the woman faced a series of legal consequences. The DUI charge led to a formal legal process, including a court appearance, where the evidence and her behavior were evaluated. The court proceedings involved assessing the charges, her reactions during the arrest, and any additional legal violations that might have occurred.
Wait, no. Get the f off me, 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 get the f off me,
Mia.
No, get this shit the f off me, get this shit the f off me, get this shit the f off me, get it off of me! No.
Mia, look, I don't want to hurt your wrist
I don't
anymore.
have any alcohol in me, my Cisco. No.
Come here. Mia, I don't want to listen.
No. off
Mia,
of me.
I don't want to hurt you.
No.
Man, you're gonna be out in 2 hours. You hear me?
No, I don't want to.
Man, sit back!
No, I don't give a about you. You
want more
suck my
charge?
cock.
You want more
Bro,
charges?
no,
That's
I'm
her
talking to him, bro.
Listen, Mia.
That's her house.
The legal system addressed her case with a focus on the DUI violation and any ancillary offences. The consequences included potential fines, license suspension, and other penalties designed to address the severity of her actions and ensure public safety. All right, fellas, what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting and educational contents in the future. Thanks for your support.